The black box theory, a theory so real, it became a way of life. Presented by Inkfluence of Art. www.inkfluenceofart.com. #Ink. There's a theory I believe was once whispered in the shadows of Darwin's mind, a theory that disappeared from textbooks, a theory that was silenced, lost, or intentionally buried. They called it the black box, not the mechanical one they dig up from plane crashes. This one lives in your mind. And if you looked into it long enough, meditated, focused, disappeared into it, it would begin to pull you in. Deeper and deeper until reality blurred. Inside the black box wasn't logic or structure like our world. It was different. Better. You could do anything. Be anything. There were no limits. No gravity. No failure. No pain. But that was the danger. It got too good. And once inside, you didn't want to come back. It was effortless. Euphoric. Addictive. Eventually, you vanish from real life while your body stayed behind, staring into the void, mouth slightly open, heart still beating, but soulless. You became another husk, silently rotting under the illusion of comfort. But here's the shocker. The black box never disappeared. It just changed shape. It's in your TV. It's in your phone. It's in your computer. And the world? It's already gone. Most people are walking dead. They're running home every night, exhausted and defeated, just to sit and watch what they could have been. They binge reality shows and scripted fantasies where men take bullets and survive with swagger. Women are always flawless, desirable, unbothered. Children barely exist unless they're accessories to the plot. No one struggles. No one breaks. No one gets left behind. And in those 30-minute episodes or endless scrolls, we buy the lie that we're not enough, that we've failed, that our only hope is to escape into this prettier, polished black box world. But let's get one thing straight. That world doesn't care about you. It is built to own you. The more you watch, the more you want. The more you want, the more you work. The more you work, the more you suffer. And the more you suffer, the more you consume. And what do we get in return? A plastic life, a theater of dreams we can never touch, a fantasy that feeds the industries that milk our minds dry. You become the product. TV networks sell your attention. Streaming services sell your time. Social media sells your soul for algorithmic approval. And AI is laughing. Muhaha. Soon, we will live as slaves to corporations. Our bodies drained. Our minds numbed. Tortured not with whips, but with endless desire. And our only escape? Going home to watch a better version of the life we'll never have. A better ending that isn't coming. A hero we'll never be. A love we'll never live. A future we'll never hold. Because the media doesn't want you to change. It wants you to buy change. And here's the cruel truth. The reason the black box theory was lost is because if something becomes a practice, it's no longer a theory. It's a way of life. Don't get sucked into media's black box theory. Wake up. Reclaim your mind. If you feel trapped, lost, numb, or need to break free from the fantasy factory, reach out. We can help. Influence of Art, life coaching, healing, and support. www.inkfluenceofart.com. #Ink.
The black box theory. They say Darwin had a secret that got buried in the ground. Not the fossils, not the species. Nah, something profound. A theory about a box, pitch black in your mind. You stare long enough, you leave this world behind. Inside's a place where pain don't live, where you fly through walls and the sky forgives. You ain't broke, ain't hurt, ain't missing a thing. You're the king of the dream with a digital ring, but the pull is strong, you start to fade. Reality dims and you get played. You think you're free, but you're deep in a trap, and the black box snaps, there's no way back. Don't get sucked in the black box theory, where they sell you dreams and steal your fury. Screens got you numb, so turn to gold. You're alive but gone, just watching the show. Don't get lost in the lie they feed. You don't need more noise, you It's your TV, phone, your screen of glass tells you what you are while your real life passes. Men survive bullets, take down whole crews. Perfect women with no baggage or bruises. No rent, no debt, no pain, no truth. Just filters and fire selling dreams to the youth. You work, you ache, you scroll, you cry, then crawl back home to watch your why die. It ain't fiction, it's precision made. Addiction coded to make you obey. Your better life, it's in a scene, but off camera you just scream silent. Don't get sucked in the black box theory, where they sell you dreams and steal your fury. Screens got you numb, so turn to code. You're alive but gone, just watching the show. Don't get lost in the lie they feed. You don't need more noise, you need to be free. Black box theory, wake up and see. The theory ain't lost, it became reality. They made it normal, they made it beautiful, they made it addictive, and you bought it. We are slaves to the rhythm, to industries that torture softly, that brand our minds and call it entertainment. But here's the final blow. A theory, when practiced long enough, becomes truth. This isn't a warning, this is a confession. Don't get sucked in the black box theory. It's a cage in disguise, looking all dreamy. Futures for sale, scripted and clean, but your real life's bleeding behind the screen. Break the cycle, break the chain. You were born to live, not to entertain. Black box theory, it's got you tight, but you can still fight, you can still ignite. The media's black box theory. Time to switch off, switch on your life. Contact Inkfluence of Art, life coaching and healing support. www.inkfluenceofart.com. Ink for truth, freedom, and mental fire.